Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gorgeous Panda. If you are new here, I'm Nilufar Karim, the creator of this channel, and today's video is all about recreation. I recently asked you guys over Instagram to send me your best look or picture so that I could recreate them, and I'm really very happy and thankful to you guys for willingly participating on my request. I'm really very sorry you might get some construction noises. Our construction is going on and it's very noisy out there, so please bear with me. So before starting today's video, I would like to mention two things. First is, everyone's Instagram ID will be mentioned in the description box, and if someone doesn't have an Instagram handle, I have asked them for an alternate handle. Like if someone doesn't have Instagram, their YouTube channel might be linked as well. And the second point is, I have maintained the serial order of entries in the recreations. Like the person who sent me their picture first, their recreation would be shown here first, and the last one would be at last, so that it won't be like partiality, it's just like that. I tried my level best to do good as the picture, but I hope I don't disappoint you and I can live up to your expectations. So without more babbling, let's get in the video. So I'm ready with the entry list so that I don't mess up the serial number. So the first look is by Ankita Malik. It is going to pop up right here. This is a very simple yet elegant look, and what is exaggerating the look is the white film casted by the white churni, and is drawing more attention to the other half of the face, and this is really... So let's begin, and this is how I recreated the look. So next onto the list is Swagata Kashyap, the beauty queen of our class. Unfortunately, she doesn't have an Instagram handle, so I will link down her YouTube channel instead. PS, she's an amazing dancer, so do check out her channel. She actually sent me two pictures that would pop up right here. One is a very simple, like she has a smoky eye and just a red t-shirt, and the second one is, I think this is one of her pictures from a performance. Now I'm a Bharatanatyam dancer, and now I don't have the ornament that she's wearing on her head, so I tried to replace it with the Bharatanatyam jewelry, but I realized that it looks very heavier and it somewhat overpowers the simplicity of her ornaments, so I didn't want to do that. I don't want to overpower the original creation, so I kept that for next episode. And if you like me doing this sort of videos, please let me know in the comments down below. And hence I chose her simple picture with open hair, and this is how I recreated it. So next up is a look by Aman Ali. He sent me these three pictures, and I chose the one with black shirt to recreate in today's video. In the other two, in one he has like olive green sweatshirt, and in the other one he has olive green pants. Now the thing is, I don't possess anything that is olive green, and I realized that I'm missing a color here, so I kept these two pictures in reserve for the next episode. I tried to match the color scheme as much as possible with whatever I have. So let's begin recreating his look in my style.
I'm counting days. Look at these eyes. They're not here to please you. There was a time you could have been.
Next up is a look by Richa Sharma. She is one of our best seniors, to be honest, and also gorgeous. In her picture, she is wearing a very nice blue traditional mekhla sadar. In her picture, she is wearing a very traditional look, and she also have used Assamese jewelry, and this is how I recreated her.
Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go. 'Cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go. 'Cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me.
So next up is a look by Akhi Das. She is an amazing makeup artist to begin with, and to be honest, we came to know each other through YouTube, which is a really great thing on its own. And she provided me with this picture right here, where she has blue based eye look with silver eyelids. So this is how I recreated her look.
You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go, 'cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go, 'cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me.
So next up is a look by Kankana Sharma. She is not only a good friend but also a fellow YouTuber, and she sent me these 3 pictures right here and told me to pick whichever I like. But this particular picture I not only like but also love. This gives me the vibe of that decent Assamese girls like at my younger age when I used to spend more time at my grandmother's place. This was a vibe. It's already been 2 years that I hadn't been to their place, and nowadays personally I don't see or get this vibe anywhere, and that's why I thought of recreating this particular look. So without getting much nostalgic, let's start the recreation. So next up is a picture by Simanto Kakoti. He is also a good friend of mine, and this is the picture he sent. This is a very simple and formal look, and this is how I recreated it. So the next look is by Devina, and she sent me these 2 pictures. She is an amazing makeup artist and she is really good at face art, and I personally suck at face art. So this is gonna be a challenge for me. So let's see how I perform. I can't believe we're already at the end of the video, and this is the last recreation of the day. The picture is by Plavita Das. She is not only a classmate but also a good friend of mine, and she sent me these 3 pictures right here. I chose to go with the sari look because it gave me those Maratha vibes, and I really love the attitude and the look of Maratha women, to be honest, and that's why I gravitated towards that particular picture. And let's see how I recreated it. So at this point, I ended up looking like a South Indian bride rather than a Maratha woman. So that's how I recreated all of your looks, and I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. I really love doing this sort of videos because it not only helps me gain knowledge but also try out new things. For example, I had never tried out Marathi dress before. I would never generally go for face art, and the look inspired by men's thought process, that's on another level. So I'm hoping to continue this series for near future, and I hope you'll participate again. And with this, I would like to conclude today's video, and before leaving the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also share the video to your friends and family, and I hope they would also like the video and they'll share more, because this would help me out and would encourage me to keep creating more and more videos like this. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye, take care and stay healthy, stay safe.